Hi lovers of good things, welcome back to my channel. Have you prepared your homemade pepper soup spicy? What are you going to use for this Christmas to cook your cat pepper soup? Oh my god. If you want to know how I prepare this, stay tuned to this video and don't go anywhere. Please continue to support me in this VlogMas, please guys. Encourage me by watching the video, share, and I will definitely appreciate it. So these are all the ingredients that I have prepared already. I have roasted the one. There are some you have to roast before you peel it. So I have done all those work, but I will show you in raw, like how they look before this. So keep on watching this video and enjoy the rest of this video. And if you have been watching us, you have not yet subscribed, please go and subscribe. Go and subscribe, you will never regret it. And make sure you put on the notification bell so that you don't miss any of our videos. Share our video amongst your friends and family. Thank you. So before we go ahead with the ingredients, I would like to give a shout out to Renoma Empire. Yes, Renoma Empire, shout out to you because she suggested this video when I make my assorted pepper soup. If you have not watched that video, please go and check it out and you are going to enjoy it. Yes, you are going to love it. And she asked me to make the homemade pepper soup spicy. It would have been a long time I do this video, but the one I have at home was still intact. Like I still have so many before that video, so I want to finish those one before I make other one. That's why it takes some time for me to bring out this video. It's not yet too late, so I have to obey and I gotta do this. So we have our onion. In my language you call it onion, yes, and it's also known as alligator pepper. Yes, alligator pepper. There are so many types of alligator pepper, but this is one of them, and you can see it is already here. I also have this one too. I don't know this one, if it's also called alligator pepper, I don't know. And there are so many ingredients I don't really know their name here. Please, if you know their name, do list them at the comment section for me. I will appreciate it. So I don't know this name because my mother do use all these things then, but I don't know their name even in English or in my language. I don't know so many of their name here. So but I will try my best and show you very well so that if you know the name you will tell me. So this is it. This is one of the pepper soup spicy ingredients. This one is onion, the one I showed you earlier because it was missed. So and I am talking about this particular one, this one. So I don't know the name of this, if it's called alligator pepper, because I know there are different types of alligator pepper in this pepper soup spicy of it. So this is it, and you can see it's here already as well. This is it. And the other ingredients is this one. I am just showing you guys the way they brought it from Nigeria. Yes, the way they brought it. And we have this one. We have this one. Can you see this? And this one is this. After removing the back, it look like this. Can you see this? So this is how it's looking. And we also have this one, which is different from this one. This is how it's looking. I will also show you after removing the back, which is this one. Can you see? And it's different from the other one I showed you earlier. There are difference between the both of them. You can see them. So the next ingredient is calabash. Oh my god, this is calabash, and which is ikposa. Yes, ikposa in my language. This is how it look. This is how it look. I have roasted and I peel off the back. You just have to fry it for just some minutes in your fry pan, and you peel off the back. This is how it can look like. You can see. And we have the other one. I don't really know the name of this one as well. See, I don't know their name. Please don't laugh at me. I don't know the name. Yeah. And I will show you how it came to look like after peeling it. Can you see? This is how it looks. All these are the last and not the least is Oriema. This is Oriema. Maybe it's called alligator pepper as well, but this is Oriema in my language. Can you see? This is the without this in your pepper soup, I don't think you are going to get that taste of pepper soup. So this is very important in your pepper soup spicy. So this is it. So guys, you can see all the ingredients. So I'm going to blend it right now and you will see how it's looking. Oh my god. So if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please do well to subscribe, share my video, like it after watching, share it to any social media that you know you operate. Yes, sharing the video is allowed. So I will use it to blend this. You don't have to be washing this machine every time, so that it should not get spoiled. So I will put everything in my blender. This will be the end of this video. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please do well to subscribe. Put on the notification bell so that you don't miss my video. This is the end of this video of homemade pepper soup spicy. If you have not made yours, please go and make yours. Go and make for yourself and you will enjoy it. Thank you. Bye bye.